How to view download history in Play Store. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to tell you how to view download history in Play Store on Android. Let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, the very first thing what you need to do is just open up the home screen on your Android. On the home screen, find and tap on Play Store. Now tap on your email account at the top right. Then tap on Manage Apps and Device. Tap Manage. After clicking on Manage, a lot of application will appear on your screen, and this is the application that you have installed in your phone. And if you want to see your uninstalled application history, then click on Installed here and select Not Installed at the bottom. Now all those applications will be displayed in front of you which you have installed but later deleted. And if you want to see which application has a new update and needs to be updated, then go back to the home screen and click on your email profile at the top right, and then click on Manage Apps and Device, then click Manage, and then click on Update Available here. That's it. Like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.